The next one is build SCL for the same retrieve method. So retrieve method build SCL is nothing but we are creating the same parameters as I shown in below before. We should create by steps by endeavor options. So like from to all the parameters we should create by endeavor just by browsing. We will see that one by one. So we can also do this by just copy pasting PDS member. Like we have a retrieve one member, and we can just copy paste to the retrieve two. Then we can do the according to our requirement. So for the for starting steps, we should create the build SCL. Just I will show the options. So one build SCL. So we should select which method for SCL for which method, like retrieve, add, or delete, move, etc. So we are retrieving, we are opting for the third option, retrieve. So this is what I have explained again. Here we should give the program name and details from which region you want to select. This is from element, from the element name and from location and sign out and override sign out. So the below two other ISPF dataset. So this is destination location. So once we enter, you will find the record. So the element which you want to retrieve, then give the option R and give enter. So you will find the SCL generated alert. Then press F3, you will come back, one request build. Then F3 come back, you will see the same SCL. So now SCL retrieve 2, it has been created. We will see what has been created in the member. So it is also same like before. So but it is retrieved to, but we created it from using build SCL options. So that's it. We can just same as before, we can go back F3 and we can submit. That will submit the job to endeavors will submit to the job to the mainframe, and we can retrieve the element. So regarding the sign out, we have small understanding here. So endeavor retrieve, let's take in the retrieve method time. So if you give sign out S, then it will locked with your user ID. So sign out no, it will not. There is no lock. So here we are taking the two users. So user one, so he gave sign out S and retrieved. So locked with user one. So user two tried to retrieve with the sign out S and cannot sign out the element already signed out alert you will be seeing. So next case, user one signed out with sign out S and locked with your user one, and user two try to retrieve with sign out no. So retrieve without lock means there is no he's user two is not trying to sign out, so just copy paste it can be done. So user next third case, user one is just signed out with no and retrieve without lock. So user two retrieved with sign out as the element will be locked with user two. So it just like a lock. Whoever has the key, then key is nothing but the sign in. Just so we have finished. That's all about the retrieve method. Build SCL, edit SCL, and submit SCL. So once we retrieve the element, we can do the program changes and whatever we can do. Then we can add to the endeavor by add method. So the next one, add method. So add method is also same like retrieve. We will have the same options like build SCL, edit SCL, and submission SCL. So but the parameters will be slight different. So I have created one add one add one parameters like this. So add element, program name, and from means the local PDS name from which location you are adding, and to which environment you are adding. So definitely we will add to the basic environment, the first environment unit, and application 01 if it is a subsystem whatever you want to add there. So here options override sign out s. So here also the same options works. So if somebody already signed out the element, we can override here. Next, move method. This is also we have the different parameters like from unit to the next environment integration. So move element, program name, from location and to location, and override. So delete options and delete method. So delete also we have a SL member and delete element, program name, and from which location you want to delete. So that's all about the endeavor. Thank you.